Hey everyone, we've decided to take a challenge on flipping a $10 account. This is a new challenge and I've never done this before, but let's see what happens. So I've deposited $10, $11 I deposited yesterday here, as you can see. The date 2020 15th. Yes, so let's see what has been happening. What has been happening today right here. I've taken a small loss just because of one stupid mistake that I did, but it's okay. So what happened, the market was right here, the market was right here, yeah. So I thought this was a retracement before we take off. So what happened, I took a trade here, had my stop losses right here, and I took another. I saw this bull candle, so I added one more position right here, and the market reversed, stopped me, and then I saw this pattern right here at the moving average. So what happened, I added one more position to take this, the whole of this, to the upside. As you can see on the daily chart, we still expect a very strong bull. Still hold the trade. Our final target is around this zone right here, so we still have some way to go, like that maybe. Yeah, so currently sitting at $20, as you can see. Total equity $28, and the total balance right now is at $8. Anyone can do this, guys, so don't just complain that you have no money to trade. You can do this. Let's see where we'll be in about 2 weeks time. So the trade levels here, the trades. So we have the trades right here, and all the stop losses of these two trades right here are here on the first red mark here. So which means they are safe. In fact, we're in profits. The other trade is right here, and the stop loss is right here. So we still expect the market, once the market breaks, retraces, we break even this other trade, or maybe even better, bring the stop loss above the entry, and then scale in some more to target our first target as that 170. See the reaction around there to decide if to close or maybe to continue with the uptrend. Okay, so that's on the daily chart. So then after using the daily chart to do the candle analysis, you just come back here, get rid of these trading levels so that you can have a clear chart. As you can see on the daily chart, we are clear, we are set to the upside. So you can now just drop to the 15 minutes and follow and use the moving average here as the main reversion. So we are not using this to know the trend. We already know the trend from the daily chart right here. Okay, we know the trend from the daily chart. So right now we are using the 15 minutes chart to get the main reversion right here. Is the main reversion. So if the market breaks, pulls to this zone, we buy. Breaks, comes closer, buy. Breaks above, comes closer, buy. So what do you expect right now? We expect the market maybe tomorrow to come all the way pushed today to here. So we expect the market to pull to maybe 61.8 and the Fibonacci and the moving average mean reversion. So we'll be buying around here again. Our stop losses below 61.8 for the next take off, maybe tomorrow or someday. Yep, so that's it, guys. This is a brand new channel I've created, so let's cooperate, man. I'll give you all the tips and tricks. Let's see where this takes us in the next 2 weeks. So I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how to flip small accounts for those who don't have the money. So I'll give you the tips and tricks. Make sure you subscribe on the channel for daily updates. Okay, have a nice day.